light that surrounds me. If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far.
Hey guys, Uniqueness Essentials here. So for today's project, I'll be starting off with a grow cage. I got this from Home Depot. And this is really strong, and I'll be using it as a side table. I took it out and I spray painted it gold and kept it aside. I got this set of crowns from Hobby Lobby, and I will cut it to size, and that's what I'll be attaching here. And I'll be attaching them with twist ties. I'm doing this really tight so that it stays in place. Now, if you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. I'm going to be cutting out pieces from a poster board to add to the design. And I'll be covering these pieces with red fabric. I was either going to go for black and gold or red and gold, so I decided to just stick with red and gold. And this is where I'm going to be putting the piece that I just covered in red. And it's just going to be around where the crown decoration is. And I'm using a hot glue gun here to attach it to the rim of the grow cage. I trimmed off the extra fabric that you see on the right side. This is a thick 14-inch mirror that I have, and I'm going to cover it with 2 boards glued together, and the boards will be glued behind the mirror, and that will be the top of my table. I wanted keeping this simple, so I stopped here. And you can have this at the bottom to protect the floor. You can use something else for the top, like here I used a turntable and removed the bottom part and then spray painted the top and the sides red. And I'm decorating the edges with this gold leaf trim. I can switch the top from time to time to either this or this. Now I'll be making a wall decor in red that will go with the side table. The top width is 22 inches, and because I want this to be really large, the height is 40 inches. I had to join 2 pieces of cardboard together because I couldn't get one that was long enough. So I'm going to be holding them together with tape. I made another one, and I'm going to glue them together. I'll be cutting out this pattern on a 1-inch foam. And when I cut out the pattern from the foam, I'll be gluing it to the cardboard. I made a mark in the middle and connected it to the bottom. And now I went ahead and made points that are all 3 inches apart and connected each and every one of them to the bottom. The next thing I did was to open up the lines with a box cutter. I later decided to just carve out the lines with the same box cutter to make it more visible in the design. I'll be using a mirror for this wall decor, and it's going to be somewhere here. So I'll be tracing out the shape, and after that, I'll be cutting it to create space for the mirror. When I was done, I covered the whole thing with batting, and then at the grooves, I put in hot glue there and made sure that the batting goes right inside. Now, because I used red fabric for the side table that I made, I'll be using the same red fabric for the wall decor. I'll be using yarn to press in where the holes are to make it deeper. The yarn needs to be tightly secured for the grooves in the design to stand out more. I also used hot glue to make sure that the yarn sticks well to the fabric. I did just the upper part to make it easy for me. And then after that, I'll continue with the bottom part. This is how it looks. And now I'm going to be covering up the white yarn with golden leaf trim. For the back, I'm going to be covering it up with a large board that I got from an item that I bought some time ago, and I cut it to size and stapled it on. This is really light in weight, so to hang it on the wall, I'll be stapling a little bit of yarn at the back. I'll be using the decorative part of this plate around the edges of the mirror. Now, because I didn't want this to be on the wall by itself, I decided to make a large frame for it. So I got paint sticks from Walmart, and I'll be attaching the sticks together to make a large frame. I'll be using mending plates, and the screws that come with it are kind of long, but for this project, I'll be using shorter screws. That did not work out so well because the wood is really thin, so I then decided to just use hot glue on the mending plate and use it to join the two pieces of wood together. Since that worked out, I used it on few of the joints because I remembered much later that it's better with craft sticks. It's wood on wood together, so I use craft sticks to finish up the joints, as you can see here. And I use wood glue to attach the craft sticks to the paint sticks. These are the plates that I'll be using as the border, and I got these plates from Hobby Lobby. And this is how I wanted it to be, but because there'll still be space and you can see the wood, I had to change the arrangement to just place them straight. I used a hot glue gun to attach them to the wood. The side table looks small only because the wall decor is really, really large. The side table is really sturdy and you could put heavy items on it. If you're going to make yours, remember these decor pieces can be displayed however you like to suit your style. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and remember to like it and share it with your friends and families. Thank you so much for watching. Now I have other DIY videos linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.